Okay, the first thing we need to understand is there's a lot of fractions, right? So the fractions it is dependent on its own type. Okay, but you will be able to draw models over here. So let's try, okay? So the first one, I would have 72 more chocolate than velvet. So I'm going to draw a longer one to represent chocolate and red velvet cakes. So this will be like a 72. Okay, after that, we will have she had 36 fewer blueberry cupcakes than red velvet cupcakes. So I will have another one, the third type, 36 lesser. So I'm going to draw it to be lesser. So naturally, this one will be 36, and there you need to make sure that this is also the box on top that you can actually cut. Okay, so right now you have 3 equal units, uh, two sets of 36 and one set of 72. Okay, it says that she sold 7 out of 9 of blueberry cupcakes. So what I'm going to do, when you know that when you want to cut this up, I will be looking at the fractions. They have very similar common denominator, but why am I going to make them the same denominator? Later I will explain. But you need to know that the lowest common multiple of the three of them, 6, 3 and 9, right, is 18. So I'm going to times 3 first to get 3 out of 18 over here. Times 6, I'll get 12 out of 18 over here. Times 2, I'll get 14 out of 18 here. So what happens if I try to make it into a total of 18 units? So if I can cut this up, I can cut this up into 9 units. 9 units, 3, 1, 2, 3. So total I have 18. So I'm going to cut all of them up to be 18 units. So let me just do a count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, there are 18 units. So I want to tackle the one on the blueberry first because it says 14 out of 18 was sold. So I'm going to cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I have 14 units 14 units sold. Okay, write neatly here. 14 units sold. I would have 4 units left. Okay, so I'm going to go to the red one. Now, some of you might be thinking, if I'm going to use 12 out of 18, then what about the 36 that is at the corner? Remember when we take it separately, we had 12 out of 18 of the units. I can also have 12 out of 18 of 36. So let me just shade 12 parts first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I have this 12 parts sold. I will also have 2/3 of 36 sold. So what is 2/3 of 36? 2/3 of 36, if you use your calculator, you'll be 2/3 times 36, you will get 24. So let me just summarize what is for the red. So for the red, how many will be sold? It will be 12 units sold. Not only 12 units sold, you have 24 cupcakes sold. And how many will be left? You have 1, 2, you would have 6 units left. And you would have 12 cupcakes left. So that is only for the red velvet. So now I'm going to go to my next one, which is on the chocolate. Chocolate, it says that is 1/6. 1/6, it means that there are 3 parts that are being sold. So let me branch out here. So I would have, what would it be over here? Over here will also need to be 1/6 of 36 plus 72 that is sold. So 1/6, this is 1 out of 1/6 times 108. So you can use your calculator. 1/6 times 108. 108 divided by 6, you will get 18. Okay, what does all this number represent? So this is for the chocolates. Just now was for the red velvet. You would have 3 units sold. You will also have 18 cupcakes sold. You will also have you have 18, you have 15 units left, and you would have 108 minus 18 cupcakes left. 108 minus 18, you would have 90 cupcakes left. So this is for the red velvet, the information for the red velvet and for the chocolate. But if you find that you want to write the blueberry part, also no problem. You can write that there is 14 units sold, and over here there is 4 units left. Okay, now we focus on the left part. The question says that she had 427 cupcakes left. So essentially it meant the one this side, or the left value. So this would mean 427. So let's try to combine all the left. How many units are there in total? So I'm focusing on the left. I would have 6 units plus 15 units plus 4 units. These are all the units. I would have a total of how many units? 6 plus 15 plus 4, I would have 25 units. Not only that, I also have my 12 cupcakes plus 90 cupcakes. I'll get 102. So let me zoom out further. Okay, now it means that 25 units plus the 102 would represent 427 in total. So 25 units, I will be getting 25 units minus 427 minus, is it 472 or 427? Or 427. 427, I will take away 102. So I will get 325. 427 minus 102. I'll get 325. So I can actually find one unit. 325 divided by 25. I'll be getting 13. It means that one unit equals to 13 cupcakes. So let's go back to where. So after getting one unit, the question wants how many chocolate cupcakes did Sophie sell? So what happens is, you know that from the model, Sophie sold 3 units of the chocolate cupcakes and 1 out of 6 of 108. So you focus on the information, this part here. So you will have 3 units equals to 13 times 3. You will get 39. 39 you need to plus another 18. So 39 plus 18, you can use your calculator to add it. Your answer will be 57. Alright, so how many chocolate cupcakes did Sophie sell? Answer will be 57.